Hi everyone. So today we are making a super delicious, super simple, whole food, plant-based recipe using pre-smoked firm tofu and an ingredient from our new ingredient Mondays, Chinese celery. So if you don't have Chinese celery, feel free to use normal celery, but go ahead, watch the video. I will put it up there to just see the flavor differences. But you know, you can use Chinese celery for this and it would taste absolutely delicious. Such a simple recipe. So I hope you all enjoy. So I'm just getting the sauce ready. I have a little bit of date sugar here. You can substitute for a sweetener of your choice. And then instead of using like cornstarch, I'm gonna use some of this buckwheat flour, and that'll just, you know, thicken up things. A little bit of white pepper, as much as you like. Just a little bit of soy sauce. Now, instead of the soy sauce, you can go ahead and use miso as well for a more whole food plant-based option. I'm just adding a little bit of water just so that it mixes all together. Should have probably mixed it better at the beginning, a little less water, and then that'll get rid of all of the lumps. Okay. But anyways, get that all mixed, get that all anti-lumped. Okay. And this will just function as a little bit of a glaze for the vegetables and for the tofu. Okay. Okay, as usual, when I'm doing my whole food plant-based cooking, I have just some water on the side to function as my oil, and also if things get too dry, I'll have some water. Just medium-high. I'm actually gonna go in with the garlic and some of the chili peppers first. Some of the celery. Place them together. So I'm just going to cook these first just until the celery mellows out a little bit, and that really only takes about a minute of cooking. this just toasts up everything, mellows out the garlic and the celery. Need a little bit of water. As soon as it starts browning, a little bit of water. I'm just going to put in my tofu. Just going to finish it off with this sauce. And you're pretty much done. I mean, at this point, once it heats up, the sauce gets glazy. You might need to put in, you know, adjust for salt content, adjust for maybe a little bit of sugar content. Maybe you want a little bit more white pepper. But yeah, that's pretty much it.